Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Fundations, Week 3, Day 5. Let's get started with our drill sounds. T, top, t. B, bat, b. F, fun, f. M, man, m. N, nut, n. I, itch, I. U, up, Also, now let's do the standard sound cards. Let's do the yellow cards first, the consonants. B, bat, b. F, fun, f. M, man, m. N, nut, n. T, top, t. I, itch, I. U, up, Awesome job. Now let's do the vowel extensions. We're only going to do I and U. I, itch. I, itch. I, itch. U, up. U, up. U, up. Awesome job. Okay, boys and girls, today I'm going to reread the story, Echo Finds Dinner. And then, in my own words, I'm going to draw and retell the story with your help. Here we go. One day, Echo was deep in the forest. She sat on a branch of a very tall tree. Echo had a problem. She was very hungry. Echo had to find food, so she searched and searched, looking all around the forest. Echo saw something move. It was a mouse. Echo was fast. She flew down, scooped it up, and Echo ate the mouse and was happy. Okay, boys and girls, first I want to think about who was in the story. Well, the Echo, the owl, was in the story. And where was Echo? Echo was in the forest on a tree branch. So I'm going to draw a tree, the bark of the tree, and I'm going to draw some leaves on the tree like this, and I'm just going to draw some branches out like this. All right, and here is where I'm going to draw Echo. I'm going to draw Echo the owl on the branch. So let me draw his wing first, and then let me draw his body here, and then his other wing I'll draw there. Let me draw his feet. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to draw his head like that. His ears. I am not the best. Oh, and then I gotta draw his little tail down here. And let me draw his eyes. There. There. Then his beak here. Then his mouth. And he's saying, I'm hungry. Okay? So that's the first one. I have where he is, who's in the story and where he is. Then, let me see, the number 2, I'm going to zoom in on the branch here. And what's the problem of the story? right? Echo's hungry, right? So I'm going to erase inside there. He's hungry, so he's looking down, trying to find some food. So this one, I'm going to draw him looking down, looking for some food because he has a problem, and he's quite hungry, right? So he's looking for some food. There's his beak there. Okay. All right, so he's hungry there. He's looking for some food. All right, so he spots, the next one, I'm going to say he spots a mouse. All right, so I'm going to draw as best as I can a mouse down here. I'm not the best of drawers, but I'm going to do my best. And that's all I'm going to worry about. Alright, so this is supposed to be a mouse. Oh, sorry, that's supposed to be a mouse right there. It's not the best, but we're going to draw the owl flying down. That's supposed to be an owl flying. And then, like, his wings are, that's there. This is the back of his head here. And he's flying down. So I'm showing a movement of him flying down. And he's, like, looking at you can't see his things because he's flying down. And he's going to come and eat the mouse. Okay? And then the last picture is, he eats the mouse and then he's happy. So I'm going to draw him back on the branch. And I'm going to draw Echo the mouse very happy because he ate the mouse. So his eyes are bright and happy. That kind of looks more like a bat than a mouse, doesn't it? Well, I'll work on it. His beak. I don't know there. But anyway, I did my best. So, as I'm retelling the story, I'm going to, in my own words, which all good readers, boys and girls, they retell the story in their own words. So, here's me retelling the story. One day, Echo was in the forest, and he was not very happy. He was hungry. And so he was looking all around, here, there, and everywhere, trying to find food. And alas, he was looking down, he spotted a mouse. So he flew down as fast as he could, and he swept up this little mouse and ate the mouse. He went back to the branch, and he felt happy, because now he wasn't hungry anymore. The end. So boys and girls, it's really important when retelling the story to try to tell as much of the story as possible and give all the details about what happened in the beginning, happened in the middle, and what happened at the end. So I told this story in 4 parts. Okay, I would like you guys to try to retell the story to somebody. You can also draw your story if you can also draw the story. Yours is probably going to be better than my drawing, for sure. But retelling stories is a lot of fun. Happy retelling. Okay, boys and girls, so for this story, you're going to need your alphabet cards. Oops, what? Oh, and we need the letter T. Okay. I'm going to say a sound. You're going to repeat this sound, and you are going to find the letter that makes that sound. I'm trying to find T here. Oh, B here. N. need N. I'm sorry. Huh. Okay, here we go. So the first sound I want you to find is point to it. Yes, F says F. All right, how about mm? Mm. That's right. M says mm. Oh, B. B. What letter says B? B. B says B. I. I. What letter says I? That's right. I says I. When one says mm. Mm. Letter says mm. That's right. N. N says mm. What letter says ah? U. U says What letter says t? T. 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 That's right. T says t. What letter says mm? Mm. M. M says mm. And boys and girls, what letter says I? I says I. What letter says U. U says What letter says B? B. 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 B says B. Great job, guys. Okay, boys and girls, that's it for this week for I and U. The next time we do Foundations, next Monday, we're going to get 2 more letters. So let's review. I and U are special letters. They're called vowels. Every word has a vowel. They stick the words together. All right, this is I, itch, and U, up, Boys and girls, are they skyline letters or plain line letters? That's right, they are plain line letters. They start on the plain line, just like N and M. And T, B, and F are skyline letters. All right, let's see what we're going to learn next week. Sneak preview. We're going to learn one consonant, which is C, C, tech, and one vowel, which is O, O, octopus, aw. All right, boys and girls, till next time. See you soon. Bye-bye.